Yeah, hi, in today's video we're going to be looking at a super passive easy income stream called Honeygain. Now if you don't know what Honeygain is, then make sure you stay tuned to this Honeygain review, and I'm also going to be going through 8 different ways that you can actually increase your Honeygain so you can actually earn more money with Honeygain. So let's jump over and we go through a quick review of Honeygain, and then we're going to go through, like I say, 8 different ways that you can implement today to earn even more Honeygain and more cash. Okay, so we've jumped onto the Honeygain website here, honeygain.com. Now what it is, as you can see here, it says passive income effortlessly. And what it does, you are actually basically sharing your internet. Now, you're not actually giving away any of your details. It's totally legit and obviously above board. And I've been doing this for a couple of years now. I'm going to show you more about how you can actually do this. It's very, very easy. You can just download this onto your PC, and you can also download it onto your mobiles as well. But more in that very shortly. That's all you need to do. Activate it, and away you go. You will then start earning passively, basically sharing your excess internet. But remember, this is obviously going to be not guaranteed at all, and it will depend on what internet you have and loads of other things. So make sure, obviously, that what I'm going to say here could give you more money. It may not give you as much money, but it will obviously give you money, and it's something that will work in the background. So it's definitely worth giving Honeygain a go. And as you can see here, it's got over 10,800 reviews at a rate of about 4.5 on Trustpilot. So as you can see, loads of people have been getting great results with Honeygain. And if you check out the video here above here, I'll put a link to a video which shows you a payment proof that I've had on Honeygain, and I've also got a whole playlist about Honeygain as well that you can check out on my YouTube channel. Now we know a little bit about Honeygain, how easy it is to actually start earning money. You don't have to do absolutely anything. Let's go and show you 8 different ways that you can actually go and earn even more Honeygain, making it even more lucrative. Now, the first way to actually earn more with Honeygain is to obviously join through an invitation link. Okay. Now, if you join through an invitation link, you will get $5 action bonus added to your account straight away. So I've obviously put a invitation link in the description below here. So if you do want to go and check it out, you haven't already got a Honeygain account, then click on that, join up, and then obviously download the Honeygain app, and you'll be good to go. And then you should get $5, which equates to 5,000 in Honeygain, into your account. Now, the second way, obviously, you can earn extra Honeygain is by using what they call the lucky pot here. Now, this is sometimes available. You just click on it, and what it does, it then opens up, and I've got an extra 5 Honeygain added to my actual account. It says here the next pot's available in 5 hours 30 minutes, so you can carry on coming in and doing this and adding more. Now you can get up to, I think it's 10,000 added to your pot. Now the most I've ever got is 500. It is possible to get big amounts, but the majority of them are normally 10, maybe 15, 20, maybe 100. Come in and do this 2 or 3 times a day. This could make your pot grow a lot faster. Now the third way to go and get more Honeygain, and that is by actually connecting more devices. So if you've got it downloaded to your actual computer, you can also download the app. If you go to the app, Google Play or on Apple, download the app, activate it, and then you can obviously start earning from your mobile as well. What you will have to remember is you need to be on the internet rather than on your mobile, because then you're more likely to go and get access internet than you are on your phone. But you can do either. So that is the third way, is obviously connect to more than one device. Okay, if you're liking this video, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. That's going to help us in the YouTube algorithms, and we will be much appreciated. And this leads to obviously the fourth way, and that is obviously you can connect up to 10 devices. So if you haven't got obviously a device and someone else has, you could then get them to download it on your account. So you could then share obviously the amount with them if you are earning per month. Now you've got to remember you can have a maximum of 10 devices per account, but you can only have a maximum of 2 devices per IP address, okay? And that's how it stands currently, so that could obviously change. So the next one I want to talk about is you've obviously got this the thing at the top here. You've got Honeygain, and then you can switch across to Jump Task. Now, Jump Task mode would actually give you a 10% bonus when you actually withdraw, and it means that you can also don't have to hit any threshold. So in other words, there is normally a $20 threshold before you can withdraw directly through Honeygain into your PayPal account. But if you set up a Jump Task mode, okay, which is basically its own wallet, and do it through there, you will get an extra 10% bonus, and also you'll be able to withdraw instantly a much lesser amount, okay? So you don't have to hit the $20 before you can actually withdraw. So that is another great way that you can actually earn another 10% bonus on your Honeygain just by clicking and using the Jump Task mode. Now the next one I want to talk about, and that is referrals. You can invite other people to download Honeygain. You will then get a bonus. Okay, so if you click on the referrals tab and then go to invite friends, and as you can see here, invite a friend with your referral link, and your friend has to join Honeygain and gather at least 2 GB, and you will get rewarded 500 Honeygain credits. Your friend will still get a $5 starting bonus, and you 10% bonus of their earnings. So there's 2 ways you can earn it. Anybody that signs up and starts using it, you actually get 10% bonus on their earnings. So everything they earn, you get 10%. So this can really rack up your Honeygain and give you a good amount every month quite easily. Now there are some people that I know are literally earning $5 to $10 per day with Honeygain because they've actually referred an awful lot of people who are using it as well, and they're getting loads of rewards that way as well. And also, like I say, when they hit the 2 GB, the other way is that you will get 500 Honeygain credits. And as you can see here, this one here, this person here, they've already had 1.79 gigabytes. So I've only got a few ways to go, and then I will be able to collect this reward of another 500 here. Now all you need to do is obviously copy this link here and give away this link. And like I say, I will give this link in the description below here. Just click on that, and then you will obviously be able to join under my link, which means that you will get your $5 bonus, remember. So the last one I want to talk about, if we come down here and we actually click on the icons, and as you can see here, Honeygain, it says here content delivery. So if you can click on content delivery, what this means is, it says here, content delivery is an additional way to earn by sharing your bandwidth for more resources, intense content such as audio and video files. CD is only available on desktop devices, but what it is, you can see your activity status, and it says here, I am active on CD is active on your device. Enjoy your additional effortless earnings. And okay, I got it. So that's all you have to do is make sure that that is enabled as well on your desktop. You could earn more, and this isn't available in every country, guys, and on everybody's account. So this could be a plus, but it's certainly worth having a look and seeing whether it's available and optimizing that as the last way you can actually earn extra Honeygain. So basically, I've found that Honeygain is a great way to obviously earn cash in the background. Once you set it, you can literally forget it. And if you wanted to, you can just, like I say, come in and do this pot on a daily basis and just earn and top up your balance quite easily. And obviously use all these tips and tricks here that I've shown you to go and grow your Honeygain really well. So definitely check out Honeygain. It is a good way to obviously earn some extra cash that you can actually build up into quite a substantial amount of cash per month if you work on it so hard. You could earn up to sort of $150, $100, even $200 per month. Hope you found this useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.